She says that she wouldn't watch a single one of my videos.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be calling you potatoes because like me and Freya have this. Me and Freya have this thing.
I got no help.
Just to think. Oh, so cute. And today I'm doing a collab with
Gaming Potato
and
Freya.
yeah, they're both the same like people, but like
Obviously.
go away Freya. Okay, so we're gonna be going on a bit of MSP today.
Just a bit. So I'm just going to slap my phone and mute that because that noise does get someone else. Get someone else. Get someone else.
Okay, so MSP. Sorry.
Guys, I just want to give you guys a quick tip which helped me a lot. I've been watching like 10 movies every day to get where I am. Also been playing Create and Write every day because it really does help me. You might not think it does, but it does for me. And if you go on high scores, rooms, pets, this gets you, if you pet all the pets, as many as you can here, you get about 1,000. And then if you go on to actual pets, if you click on the person who goes to the room, they have more pets in there, so you get about 3,000 at the end. That's how I've been getting an outfit every day and an animation as well. If that's just, and this status is gold.
She's literally doing 1 minute of my whole talking on this video.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be going on like my account, you know, not
Obviously.
my real account.
Okay. So
my lemonade account.
I think
Lemonade.
I'm gonna try and like make a look that I'm gonna save up for tomorrow because I pet pets every day.
Oh, a little fun story here. A little fun story.
Go on.
So basically, so my friend doesn't like. My friend Chloe doesn't like water. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically,
How does she have a bath?
No, she doesn't like drinking it. So basically, what she brought to school instead of water in a bottle was lemonade.
Oh my god, I would love to do that.
Because it looks the exact same as water, and she told me and she let me have a drink. Oh my god, Freya, look at my screen.
Are you sure you typed it in right?
Yeah. The potatoes saw me.
The potatoes. They don't know your password. Good job as well. No offense, guys, but a lot of them probably wouldn't hack you if they knew your password.
I needed to change my password because that person like was logging onto my account.
I have a lot of trust in my followers, but I would not give you guys my password. Oh, feel free to make looks as well, and I will wear them. Should I give them a closet tour? I think I'm going to save up for this because it's really cute.
That is cute. Oh my god, that's 1,800. You got 55.
And I get 3,000 every day.
Why?
Because I go to rooms and pets. I'll show you my animations. I've been buying an animation every day. I got this one.
Oh, that's cute. Then.
Oh wait, I got.
Go and watch Freya's video to
I got
see
this one, which was the one on my status.
I'm gonna put Freya's.
Potato chips.
Do you mind?
Sorry.
I'm gonna put Freya's name in. Freya, my face has changed. How do I change it?
Oh my god.
Calm down. Wait. Oh. Natural.
So this is Brogan. We need to go back 4 feet. Wait, I think I have a best friend spot, Brogan.
I want to see him. Why can't you see him, Daniel? Why do you say that?
Yeah, collect the programs every day as well, guys.
Yeah.
That helps.
The thing's still out.
How many coins do you have? 430. Make a look at me and save up for it. If you want it.
A look.
Yeah.
And save up for it.
Yeah. All my stuff is obviously non-reactive.
We didn't actually plan what we're going to be doing.
No, we just like threw it out there because I know I needed to record a video today because it's on my schedule.
What should my schedule like be? Because it has to be Fridays now, so probably not Wednesday. But like, what other days?
It could start next week, you never know. And it could be I do mine. If you do Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, we could both record our videos together.
Yeah, doing that.
Okay, we're doing that, guys.
Okay, so my schedule will be Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, and probably all my videos will be with Freya.
Yeah. Best friends of how many years, Brian?
Let's just say 10, maybe 11.
Yeah.
Freya, I want to go to Morrison's
I
Cafe.
turned a teenager this year.
That's weird.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, guys. Okay, these are how many. Wait, I want to see how old this account is. Because I know I haven't had it for that long. Wait, if I go onto my phone.
Okay.
December 2018, it was like the end of December. So I've had this account roughly about 20 days.
I thought you had it for longer.
No. It feels like it does, doesn't it? I've watched 157 movies.
You're so pretty. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Kids, don't watch this if you don't like naked people.
Kids are watching the nudes. Sorry guys, I'm just going to pause this while I watch Brooke and make her outfit because it's interesting.
Oh, this is
Bye.
cute. Freya, so many cute stuff. How are you doing this to me?
I like that belly like piercing thing.
Oh my god, that's cute. I didn't even notice that.
That's like 200 coins.
Oh my god, it's cute. Oh my god, everything's so cute.
You're like, cow.
Why are you doing this to me?
Sorry. You're just stuck on what to do.
Alright. I think I know what I'll pick. Oh no, you have that on already?
Wait, if you're stuck, let me help you. Are you ready?
We'll be back.
Yeah, just pause it.
Okay, so
Right, guys, if you want me to, I probably won't get anyone who makes me a movie, but if you want to, I'll react to your guys' movies. All you need to do is put mine and Brogan's name into a movie, our usernames, and then we'll react to them if we get any.
Stop moving my mouse.
Sorry.
It's plugged in.
If we get any, we'll react to them in the next thing, but if we don't, we'll just keep it open for you guys and we'll do that when we get a movie to react to.
Like Kate the Good Girl.
I won't worry, I was gonna worry then. What's make you like?
How much is it?
Get to the shop.
I feel like it's gonna be like 2 million now. Not million, thousand.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It was submit to ratings. You know.
You get away with the fast. I'm not buying that. It's way too dear.
You get 3,000 from going me.
About 50.
I have a new geography teacher called Mrs. Rooney. Sorry guys, I might feel so far away right now. I'm just like literally why are you sitting on the floor?
That's just my life.
We should do a face cam next time.
Yeah. Should we film 2 videos today?
Why?
Oh, you've got a gift!
Have you? Oh.
And it's a potato. Potatoes for life! Sorry, headphone users. Rip. Rip, chicken dip. Hello!
Hi, I'm back and I'm uploading my video to YouTube.
My next video is going to be a face reveal.
I don't know how to put links in the description, guys, so I'm just going to put a name.
This is my first video actually going to be on YouTube, because on my other videos, I've done loads of videos, but I just not posted them, you know. So I'm just changing my status real quick. Sorry, that just... I just went... Sorry. I really like going...
I'm just uploading my video to YouTube, guys.
Freya just showed me this really funny video. Basically,
The cat video.
yeah, where like the cat was fighting.
Oh, it was hilarious.
Yeah, so funny. Is your channel called Gaming?
Why am I crying?
What's your channel called? Gaming Potato?
Gaming Potato, 7 subs. Make sure to put that in the description as well. You know.
Okay, I'll be back once I've changed my status. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've changed my status, as you can probably tell, because that's what I said when I was going, but you know, I'm just gonna look at these notifications because I definitely don't know.
It takes me a minute to say goodbye in my video, you know.
Yeah, it is to me.
Well, like I say goodbye in a minute. Is that normal?
No, but your laptop's gonna go off and it's publishing. Okay, so I still have 4 minutes left and I don't know what to do. Nearly 3 minutes.
You're like, I do not know.
Okay, I'm gonna give a quick shout out now. I only have 8 friends, just ignore that. I'm a lonely potato. Okay, so I'm just gonna give a shout out to this girl because I don't even know her. No, I don't even know this girl.
Well, thanks, and you're doing a collab with me.
I don't even know her. Okay, so this girl is like called Lemon. Okay, so this is the girl who I'm doing a collab with. Say hi.
The girl.
Say hi.
Hi.
She's level 10 and I'm level 4. Oh my god, she's so lower than me. Okay, and then she said, is it okay to love food? And I'm like, yeah, it doesn't love food.
No.
Because people who don't like food will be dead by now. Sounded really bad. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I would kill people who don't like food.
Okay, right. Okay, that's her. You know, don't
sound like
follow. I'm gonna put her username for a main.
Boom!
Her username for this
UK.
account, her username for a potato account, not potato. Her YouTube account and I think that's all, isn't it? And a Musical.ly account and do you have Twitter?
Don't put my music account. That's private.
Okay, and her Instagram.
No,
I'm joking. Yeah.
Sorry guys, but I cannot dispose of that one.
So yeah, that's Go and Header. We have a lot of conversations that are private.
Tell.
And I'm her friend, her best friend.
Best.
Of 20 years! Not really, we're not even 20. She's still got another. She's got, oh my god, Freya.
What?
In 8 years, you're going to be 20.
Stop. I don't like that.
And in 10 years, I'll be 20.
Oh.
Oh, painful. Okay, so it's like, I've only got about, like 50 seconds left. So...
We love you, stay good. Go subscribe to me. Don't subscribe to Brogan. Subscribe if you want to Brogan. Subscribe, you should definitely subscribe to Brogan, but then don't subscribe, then subscribe.
Okay, what she means is subscribe to me and subscribe to her and
subscribe to the world.
Subscribe to me. Just me.
Oh.
Because me is gorgeous. I'm joking. Go follow Freya right now.
Thinking you can redeem yourself.
I only have 20 seconds left to this video, so go and add my tag.
I'm thumbsing up the first comments as well. So
and comment some
comment and Brogan.
Oh my god, I only have 10 seconds. Comment some suggestions for videos and I'm gonna be doing a 60-second Squad shout